Hi, welcome to part 2 of my 2018 stash video. In this video I'm going to show you what's in these 3 totes of leftover fireworks from last year and even years before. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to start with this red tote. There's my note I left last year. I keep like my notes and firework ads and stuff just to help me remember prices and stuff like that, so I can keep track from year to year. Got these. There we go. That's my Crackle Ball bag. Crackle Balls are a 4th of July staple. You just gotta have a lot of those. Poppers. And then those are the little pull string ones. Here we've got some daytime stuff. I got a single day parachute by Boomer, Sky Spider by Black Cat, and then I got a couple of these rotating wheel things, more Cracker Barrels. You can probably tell I really liked that one last year. And then I got a couple of these Zen Master fountains from World Class, I believe. And a Jack in the Box from Supreme Fireworks. It was alright. I really like these World Class Zen Master fountains. You can tell because we've got 3 6-packs of them down there as well. Color Smoke by Red Rhino. And generic smoke balls. Some Ground Mines by Black Cat, Magic Whip from Supreme Fireworks, and got some more of these silver crackling salutes from Phantom. They weren't too great, so probably just line a whole bunch up and line them all at once. We got, this is my spinner bag, so I got, let's see, some regular ground blooms. We got some crackling ground blooms. Over here we've got a couple different types of exploding ground blooms. King of Spin by Sky Bacon. Oh yeah. And then those little eyeball looking things from Dominator. Those are pretty cool. I tried 2 brands, one by Dominator and one by Firehawk. The Firehawk ones, if I remember right, were no good. They were totally weak, but the Dominator brand one was good. And then you guys probably know from my demo video of this, Pyro Cola. It was my favorite fountain of last year by Maddox. It was a really great one, and the cost wasn't bad. So we bought a whole bunch. Here we got some fountains that we didn't get to last year. Night Party by Cutting Edge. Fatal Attraction by Miracle. I know this is a good one, but it's the exact same as one is called Lemonade by World Class Fireworks, and the lemonade one, same thing, but it was like $2 cheaper. Selfie Moments. I haven't even tried that one yet. I don't think we've done one before, and we just didn't get it to it last year. Okay. World Class Fireworks. Gotta love that brand. We got some leftover sparklers. Got the red, white, and blue light sticks. Anyway, and we got some Morning Glory sparklers by Black Cat. Okay, here we got handful Roman candles, Black Cat. These are pretty sweet. Oh, there's another Zen Master. And we got Green Heaven from Cutting Edge, that's a good one. Zombie Prom from Hot Fireworks Complex. That's a good one, especially for the size. Avenger from Legend, one of my favorites. Sound Mine. I don't think I ever did one of these yet. Still waiting to see what it does. Let's see. War of the Worlds by Miracle. You know it's a good one because it's super heavy. Screamer, that's a good one. No Replacements Found. I did one of those last year. It was really good. Or Neon Rockets. And just some little more like pull string poppers. Confetti poppers. Here's what we got. Aerials, not needed, so yeah, it's all aerials. Blood Diamond. Keep Out. Keep Out was a good one. My daughter picked it up. It was kind of light, and so I didn't think it would be that great. And then we set it off, and it was pretty awesome for the cost. And so I had to pick up another one last year. Blazing Hot. I think I did see this one, and it was pretty good. I know that one was good. American Muscle by World Class. That's a good one. That was one of my favorites last year. The Wall by Dominator. Kaleidoscope by Dominator. Another Blood Diamond. That was one of my favorites. You can tell I got 3 of them in here. Rowdy Rampage. Battlefield by Blue Dragon. Cover Your Ears by World Class. That's Your Problem. World Class. Chickaboo by World Class. Joyride by Cutting Edge. Dinosaur. Supreme Fireworks. I think I got it for like $1.50. It was a good deal. Giggles. World Class. It's a good one. Battle by World Class. Looks pretty cool. Alright, here we got Epic Force. I forget who makes it. By Epic Fireworks. I'm excited to do this bug-eyed. That's going to be a cool one. Fan shape. Breathing Fire by World Class. Alright, so that's the wrap up of part 2 of my 2018 fireworks stash. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other videos. And have a great 4th of July.